Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make your iPhone flash when you get a text or call. If you're using any iPhone and you want to make your iPhone flash when you receive a text or call, so let's see how can you fix this or how can you do this. You just have to simply open your settings app. Now in settings, very first I recommend you have to try to update your software to prevent any kind of issue. Open your general section, go to software update, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you want any pending software update here, just try to update your software and go back from here and go to accessibility section, and here just scroll down and look for audio and visual. Now scroll down and you will see an option of LED flash for alerts. Just select that and enable the toggle. So once you have enabled, so you will have to also enable this toggle, which is flash in silent mode. So once I've enabled this toggle, it will flash in silent mode. And once I've enabled this toggle, your LED will flash for alerts when the ring switch is set to silent or the device is unlocked. So in this way, you can easily make your iPhone flash when you get a text or call. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.